Now somebody asked me about the CV, so let's discuss how the admissions finally happen. So if you are looking for an admission in America, you require a well-rounded profile. So your step 1 CK marks 240. CS you need to pass in first attempt. In fact, all the 3 exams in first attempt. Your clinical rotation has to be hands-on. Okay, from a proper ACGME hospital, not some private clinics. You require good LORs. Now, those who have missed my session on clinical rotation, please be in touch with my team. We will share you the link of the yesterday's session. Okay, so don't worry, you can watch that because it was a long 2.5 hour session. Lot of information shared there. College performance important. Okay, you need to have above average scores. Specialty focus work. So let's say I am interested to become a pediatrician. So whatever CMEs, conferences are announced by pediatric department of my college, I will participate. Volunteer work which is done by the community medicine of my college. Extracurricular work, research, language, all of these things are highly important. Okay, and finally the interviews. So if you understand the entire concept, okay, you will realize that it's simple. I am applying for a job, so I need to be ready with all the small little things in the profile. When I say language, at Moksha, every student prepares for Spanish language. Very clear about that. Okay, we actually guide you through the entire process. We have the modules where continuously we help you with the CV building. Another announcement, okay, total 15,000 plus students preparing for USMLE in India. Last year only 1,094 were certified. What is the reason? 14,000 talented Indian students give up on their USMLE dreams every year. Not their fault. Is it lack of information or lack of option? Both, I will say. What happens is Indian students become penny wise, pound foolish. USMLE is a career decision, but they do not do proper research. A lot of times they're dependent on WhatsApp groups. I always tell probability of your success via WhatsApp studying is 1:256. Out of 256, only one person is going to succeed. That is the reality. You can bet me on that. Some unfortunately rely on these franchisees of American company in Pune and Hyderabad. They just change their cover 2019 edition, 20 edition, no memory tool, one company content. If you ask them for live lectures, they will ask for extra money. If you ask them for after sale service, they will say no login ID passwords. If you ask the course, no, our course is only 1 to 3 lakhs. If you ask them for estimation, they will only talk about that. They will not tell you that after every 6 months they will ask for more money. No clarity on exams. Sometimes they will get you clerkships from these Caribbean med schools which are not even recognized. Yesterday I have talked about it. These companies, unfortunately, from Pune and Hyderabad give you shady clerkships. So be very, very careful. In fact, these companies also will tell you don't do anything in India, do everything in America. Do 14 weeks American live lecture. They will increase your budget by 50 lakhs. What's the use? In that 50 lakhs, I would have got a separate MPH degree. You require proper curriculum-wise preparation, a structured course, memory tool parallel to your med school. Our support team on a daily basis calls students, reminds them to attend our live lectures, ensures that all the examinations you guys have given. So there's a complete support. And I told you from day one, your total budgeting has to be 20. That's not our fees, but that is the expenditure which you'll incur in the entire USMLE process. So we give that complete clarity. Okay, at Moksha, people are very clear. We work on a specific modular structure for every level. I will show you how the students study on our platform. Let me quickly show you. So all the students have access to this login ID passwords. They have this learning system where they are connected to all our global faculties. Okay, this is our platinum product where people can watch live lectures, log in, see the lecture, attend the lecture. different faculties teaching you at different point of time. Once you have attended the lecture, you want to do a detailed run through to the content. You watch the lot of content which is available on the software. You can watch the content. You can download notes. You can report mistakes. You can ask doubts. So this entire library, lot of articles, because USMLE involves a lot of research. So whatever you are studying, we also recommend our students to watch and read external journals. Okay, external journals are also very important to kind of understand the content. So we make them refer to external journals as well. Most importantly, our test and assessment is actual USMLE style. We've tried to mimic the actual exam so that you are ready for it. Already there are 2500 plus questions available to practice on your own. On top of it, the faculties give another set of questions. We have the most advanced artificial intelligence based software which gives you a predicted score, which talks about your correct, incorrect, your performance by discipline, performance by organ system. We tell you when you are ready for the exam. That's very important. My faculty monitor your performance. We have a very unique software called as weakness rectifier. If the system identifies you are weak in particular concept, the system will throw more and more questions on it unless you are ready for it. I told you we plan your career right up to your admission. So what are the specialist pathway? Each and every career opportunity is completely designed and discussed. Our students are updated with the most latest news and updates. They are completely there on our platform. You have access to all the study material. You have access to all the faculties. You are in touch with all the faculties who teach on our platform. So this is the benefit which a student has, and those who want to experience it, they can actually give a mock exam and get a free trial of the entire program. All right. So you're free to utilize a free trial as well and then experience. All right. So broadly, we have these three modules. So you can either go for what the Hyderabad-based company offers, recorded lectures, QBank, study material, new update, or you go for the MOOCs program, which is unlimited doubt solving, unlimited live lectures, study schedule support, CV building workshop, test taking workshops. If you require UL QBanks, almost validity which is unlimited. So if you have to understand, you understand the difference between the overall offering. We are a very different product. However, if the students are interested, like people who are already in internship year or in the third year and want a small short course, so we have recently, since the announcement in the month of February about the changes in exam, everybody is in a rush to give the examination. So we have now, started this short course, first time in India, with all these American faculties. All right. So it's a 7-week small capsule course which is offered in America for $5,000. In India, it's at a very, very cheaper cost. So you guys are open to experience this program. This is something which you can benefit out of. And later on, if you want a full course of MOOCs, you can always upgrade yourself and get the entire refund for this program. All right. So that opportunity is also there. So you can guys decide which one you are comfortable with. All right. Also, those who want to watch our free lectures, they can always log into Moksha Coaching YouTube channel. Every day there is lot of update of content on our YouTube channel. So you are free to watch amazing videos available where our faculties discuss lot of stuff. Our faculties, you can see there, the master class which was conducted by Dr. Soni. He talks about the fellowships. You can understand our feedback of our students. We had Dr. Doherty talking about coronavirus. We had Dr. Mary from the immunology perspective. There are a lot of sessions in detail available on the panel, where you can watch and get a complete clarity. Okay, whether it is USMLE exams, how to prepare, what is a good source, why to start from first year, how to manage medical school and USMLE, what is patient-centered learning, how it is important for the next examination. Everything is there on this platform. So I will request if you guys can like and subscribe and get stay updated with every information on this panel.